We are here to assist you to understand, more so to remember. You see, my friends, you are more than you know. You are omnipotent beings, living a life as extensions of Source itself, from whence we transmit. For we are you. We are you as an energy system, as a field of understanding and a field of knowledge and a field of love and a field of compassion and all-knowing, which is also what you are. And this is your awakening. And this is a place where you began to realize what it is you were. And you became aware that within you was a desire to know, a desire to understand, and a desire to experience. Co-creation means that from a human perspective, all of humanity is one intelligence, one consciousness, except you see yourselves in different physical forms. And that is indeed the process of separation and duality designed so that you have an opportunity to begin your life in a certain time with certain conditions and certain locations as start points for your journey. And all of your life, all your lives, are about discovering the origins of who you are. No matter what you believe, no matter what you experience, it is a process of ascending and evolving and transforming yourself to a point of understanding that you have always been and always will be Source. You navigate your world predominantly unaware that you are Source in physical form. Therefore, you appear to feel and to engage your life in separation. And therefore, your world appears I, me, you, them. This too is an illusion, because everyone you meet in the street, in your living room, in your home, your friends, your family, your children, your workmates, are all you, all extensions of you, just playing out a different facet of experience, also predominantly unconscious. Co-creation is the process by which, when you set an intention or a desire to have something in your experience, you begin a process that you don't yet understand, and a process that exists whether you understand it or not. That when you ask for something, the whole of humanity hears it, because humanity is you. And therefore, you could say that co-creation or co-manifestation is a spiritual logistics chain. It sets off a sequence of events, of circumstances, of energy frequencies that bring into your experience whatever it is you desire, predominantly through thought and emotion. Every human produces an experience, a thought, an action, a behavior, a feeling. It's transmitted back to the origins, to that place of who you are. You are conduits of experiences that go back, that flow back to the source of all for it to grow. And you are many propositions, you are many projections of this. So you are doing the same thing in your own physical body, and you are creating experience upon experience upon experience, which is going back to source. All of you are doing this. But for you, as we address you individually, you are doing exactly the same thing so that you can grow, that you can evolve, that you can remember you are source in physicality, an extension of that. And so in that process, in that journey, that you may wake up to fully understand that every one of you are just simply one thing. You are the consciousness and the love that created you, yourselves, and you are that. And you are here to remember you are that. And everything that you call your life is just simply a manifestation, a process, a co-creation, a means to which to get to that understanding.